the chapter Quadratic Equation. In this one, I have taken the fifth problem, that is find the roots of the quadratic equation root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 by factorization. First we have to write this equation, that is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. What we must do is to find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. We have to take the first term and last term of the given quadratic equation. So first term is root 2x square and last term is 5 root 2. Multiply these two. When you multiply these two, you will get 5 root 2 into root 2. It will be 2 into x square. So 5 2s are 10x square. So you got 10x square over here. See, when you multiply any two numbers, you must get 10x square. When you add or subtract, you should get the center number, that is 7x. So if you take 2x and 5x, when you multiply these two, you will get 5 2s are 10, x into x is x square. When you add these two, 2x plus 5x is 7x. You will get the center number. So we have to take 2x and 7x instead of 7x. 2x and 5x instead of 7x. So let us take root 2x square plus, instead of 7x, you have to take 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So root 2x square, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So now let us group these four terms into two groups. This one group, the other group is this. So what is common over here? Root 2x is common in these two terms. So what is remaining? When you take out root 2x, what is remaining? X is remaining. Plus, you have taken out root 2x, what is remaining? Root 2. Now what is common in this group? 5 is common. So plus 5 is common. So what is remaining here? 5 you have taken out. X plus 5 you have taken it out. So root 2 is equal to 0. Now x plus root 2, x plus root 2 are common. So you take out x plus root 2 as common. What is remaining? Root 2x plus 5. That is equal to 0. Now we have to equate these two terms to 0. So x plus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, when this root 2 comes to the right side, it will become minus root 2. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So root 2x keep as it is equal to, when this 5 goes to the right side, it will become minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5. This root 2 comes down. So x is equal to minus 5 root 2. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are minus root 2 and minus 5 divided by root 2. Now let me take the sixth problem, that is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. In this one, you have the fraction over here, that is 1 by 8. So what you must do is to get rid of this denominator and to get a quadratic equation, we must multiply both sides by 8, the denominator. When you multiply by 8, it will become 2x square into 8 minus 8 into x plus 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 0 into 8. So 2 into 8 is 16, x square minus 8 into x is 8. This will cancel. 8 ones are, so 1 is equal to 0 into 8 is 0. So 16x square is the first term and 1 is the last term. So when you multiply these two, 16x square into 1, that is 16x square. So you take the two terms. You take two terms in such a way that when you multiply those two terms, you must get 16x square. When you add or subtract, you must get the center term of this equation, quadratic equation. So if you take 4 and 4, when you multiply these two terms, you will get 16x square. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16, x into x is x square. When you add these two, minus 4x and minus 4x, you will get minus 8x. So 16x square, instead of minus 8x, you can write minus 4x minus 4x. So minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now group it into two terms. This is one group and this is the other group. What is common in these two terms? 4x is common here because 4 4s are 16, x into x, x square. Minus, you have taken out 4x, so 1 is remaining because 4x into 1 is 4x. What is common here? Minus 1. So when you take out minus 1, what is remaining? 4x, because minus 1 into 4x is minus 4x. Minus into minus is plus, 1 1s are 1. That is equal to 0. Again, what is common here? 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. Take it out. So what is remaining? 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So since you have the same terms here, you can take it once. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Equate it to 0. So 4x, when this minus 1 goes to the right side, it will become plus 1. So x is equal to 1 divided by 4. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4.